Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Roblox. If you'll allow me to get into this game again. So, today in Roblox we are playing Resort Tycoon. So, you see I got my little axolotl character, I got my little axolotl character, and the chat's gotta go bye-byes. You see I've already played this a little bit before, so it's honestly, I'm gonna be exploring the world and really playing, like trying to look at how other people are doing and possibly fall off the bridge. Yes. So if anyone's having trouble finding the cave, first you have to build these bungalows. So these bungalows where you buy the first bridge is over there where the mouse is, over there. And so basically I want to you buy the pathway to the bungalow right here, and it'll come with the whole pathway for it, and then you just keep buying these little houses until you can unlock the cave club. So that cave club is basically, it's really nice. So I'm glitching out, I think, a little bit, but sorry about that. I'm new to this, basically. So oh my gosh, I love that song that came on. Do you guys hear that? Oh my gosh, that is so sick. Jeez. Okay, let's see how good I am at racing. Apparently not really good. Oh wow. Wow. I already glitched out the game. Well, that wasn't good. Very good. That was okay. It was an okay race. I barely even made it at all. So I'm gonna get back into my golf cart. Okay. So if any of you are new to Roblox, I'd recommend, if you don't know the keys or anything, it's WASD. And so if you click on this icon, it will go to, you can press help and it will tell you all of the stuff. So that's just so you know, and you cannot do this on mobile. This is on computer. Oh yeah, and remember, like and subscribe. Smash that bell button below. Make it ring. I don't know why they made it a bell button, but just make it ring so you get more feedback on this, on upcoming videos. So yeah, I have to get a boat because planes are hard to drive in this on PCs. Really hard. And so here we go. Here we go. Oh my, oh no. Why? Just why? Why did this happen? I mean, are you serious? Are you serious right now? Are you serious about that? And so I might be doing some memes soon or something like that. So lots to upcome, but this is just my first video, so just gonna go with the flow. And so, oh my gosh, people are chatting. Where? So, I am. So my goal for this video is at least 50 subscribers. 50 likes, I mean. 50 likes or subscribers. So, I mean, 15 to 50. So, I mean, if you guys can do that, I'll be happy and I'll upload more videos, way more videos. So we're heading up to Volcano Island, and they're chatting. Oh my, sus. What if you look to that side? There is, no joke, that is sussy. That is just sus. Complete sus. Is that? I can report that person for dating online. Or being a lovebird. That was literally somebody like kind of like flirting online. Which is dating, online dating. Thank goodness Roblox can you can report them for bullying, all that stuff. So all the people you don't like you can just get rid of fully. So I don't know what that is, but okay, I guess. Okay, so over here, oh, we test lava rock. I'm totally testing lava rock. So how do you get up there? Oh yeah, there's a ladder somewhere. Where's the ladder? I lost the ladder. I cannot find the ladder. Are you serious right now? Oh, it's the red building. Oh, that makes more sense. But okay. So I'm gonna ignore what happened in chat. But so I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff online now. So I'm trying to get up to here. It might be a little bit long, but so I will see you at the top. Guys, now I'm back at the top. So let's see what's going on right here. I can't even ride this. What is it? Okay, it won't let me ride the... Wow. Just wow. Oh. That's a telephone pole. I've always thought that was a zip line. It's a zip line that doesn't work. Who wants a zip line that does not work? So I think someone left and joined. 1.5 million. But net worth, that's their net worth. 84 million. I got 1.3 billion and 88 million. Okay. So I'm gonna head back to the place. So it will take me about like 5 minutes, but it will take you 2 seconds. So here we're back at my resort, and so see, that's what it says. So here's what I'm gonna this is the fully complete resort island, basically. Hi person. Wait, now they let me sit in these? Okay. Now I can watch this guy eat his Big Mac. That's right, you get to sell Big Macs down here. It literally has a picture of a Big Mac. Oh my gosh. They're making double quarter pounders with cheese. Dang. Right, got caught. This thing just got caught. Oh my gosh. I want to make burgers. I want to make burgers. I want to make burgers. Burgers. Here, this is my face. This is my face now. I just had to do that. But, so, here's the rooms. Here's the rooms. So, I'm gonna go to the little aquarium where the axolotls are. It's like there's no axolotls, sadly. None of these little cute thingies. None of these thingies. Sadly. So, is this guy proud of himself? This guy is proud of himself. What is he doing? So this is the aquarium, and so I think this looks like a good place to stop. So sadly, we have to go. Sadly. But I will finish in part 2 next time. Bye guys!